Okay, so here's what I do. I just go to settings and click the Facebook pixel page. You see it's a page view. Now, this is all I do. I don't place anything here because I do this on the custom conversions inside the Facebook manager. So I just place once again here. I don't touch the trackings here. And this is what I do. I'm going to do, because if you place it here, this is going to be for all the pages, right? Okay, so what I do is, this is my first landing page. Just let me show. I have an opt-in. This is the landing page, the thank you page, and then I have like a coupon that I want for them to download. Okay, so the first one I go is the landing page. If I go to the landing page, what I do is it's a view content, custom conversion, and I tell them to, this is the next, right? The next page, the promo. So that this would be the next one. Then I go to, and once again, this is a view content. Then I have the opt-in. This is the second step, right? And this one goes to the thank you of the coupon. Okay, and this is a lead. That's what consider a lead because it's an opt-in, right? And then finally, I have the coupon. And this one is for when they actually already they went back to the coupon and they got it there. And this is a complete registration. And I just place something symbolic there because I'm not selling anything per se. Okay, so I do everything on the custom conversions and do this here. Hope that helps.